let's review everything. First of all, we're going to review these buttons. So, button number 1 is right here. It's basically cued with your toe. Button number 2 is squeezing with the inside of your calf and your lower leg. That's button number 2. And button number 3 is slightly behind. So button number 3 really isn't back here, it's down here. Now, with that being said, first thing we want to do is make sure she flexes. That's going to give that nose. So flexing is our first exercise. And look at how good it is. And really, it's just thumb and forefinger, reach up, sit back, and release as soon as she gives. So we've got that one. We're going to ask her to give us a little back. So wiggle the toes, squeeze, back, 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 back. Very good, and she already gave. So moving the forehand around the hindquarters is going to be button number 1 here. What we're going to do is we're going to put this outside, or the outside rein. We're going to be turning her nose to the inside. So my right hand is out just a little bit to turn her nose in, and the left rein is going to cue, and I'm going to use my toe basically, and I'm going to get that cross open. So cross, 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 cross. Very nice, and she gave pretty well on that. So if you need to, you can use your little stick, and we're going to go button number 1 again, which is in front. Right hand touching the rein. There you go. And cross, cross, cross. Oops. Throw me a little forward. Cross. Good. There we go. And I should be able to look out when I'm opening the door with my toe and see her hoof going that way. That's how I know she's doing the cross. All right, so button number 3, I found it is so much easier if you have kind of a target to walk around to build those hindquarters. So you find like your mounting block or something like that, and you're going to put their nose to the mounting block at button number 3, and button number 3, and with that outside rein, you keep them from stepping forward. So turn into the mounting block, and button number 3, and I can add my little stick if I need to. There we go, see? And I got a much better yield. Sometimes if you need to add a little pressure, a little tappy stick is just perfect for it. So what we do on one side, we always do on the other. So this time we're going to be on the left side. So pointer nose left, button number 3 on the left side. On my outside, I'm opening the door, see? And I'll add a little tap if she doesn't listen to my heel. So we ask, suggest, and demand. If I ask just by using a little bit of pressure, and then I have to add more, that's what we want. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to keep her in a nice little circle. And we're going to do a 1. It's going to be a spiral down to a 1 rein stop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my inside rein, and I'm going to reach down, pull to my thigh, and say woo, until she stops and release. That's my emergency brake. I know if I say whoa and sit back, I have control of her nose, and she can't run away from me if she wanted to. And I want to make sure that she doesn't get distracted. If she ever gets distracted or she ever spooks, this exercise is going to save the both of us. So ready? Sit back, reach up, hand to the thigh, and whoa. When she stops and gives, release. So we're going to practice that again. 1 rein stop at a trot, just to make sure that she's listening. Ready? And there we go. And good girl. So there we go. Those are some basic exercises that'll get you back on track and using all your buttons. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.